If you are looking for stock ideas, it's essential to start by figuring out which sectors and industry groups are currently leading the market. That's because the best performing stocks almost always come from leading sectors and industry groups. And this is no coincidence. Our research shows that 37% of leading stocks price movement is directly tied to the performance of the stocks industry group. Another 12% is due to the strength of the overall sector. A sector in this case is a collection of related industry groups. Overall, this means nearly half of a leading stock's price performance is linked to its industry and its sector. MarketSmith's founder William O'Neill wanted to create his own industry group system because he felt the existing concept of sectors was too broad and imprecise. After all, the most commonly cited sector system sorts all stocks into just few sectors, which can mean hundreds and hundreds of stocks that are often barely related. O'Neill wanted a better system, and more importantly, he wanted to know exactly where the money was flowing. That's why he created 197 industry groups that would better segment stocks into more accurate groupings. After sorting all stocks into those 197 groups, we ranked them all according to price and volume action of the stocks within, with the most recent 6 months weighted more heavily. Once you're on MarketSmith's evaluation page, you'll notice the group rank on top of a chart. All the 197 industry groups are ranked from 1 to 197, where 1 means the best and 197 is the worst. As growth investor, you would like to focus on the top 40 or 50 industry groups. If you open the quick view on a stock chart, you can see the industry group name here. If you come down to the summary section, you can see the industry group name and rank here as well. If you are evaluating a stock, you can see the other stocks in the same industry group by clicking on the related tab. That gives you a quick look at how the other stocks in the industry are doing. Clicking on the industry group name will take you to a chart of the industry group showing the price action of all the included stocks over the selected time frame. This is helpful for visualizing longer-term trends in groups since it tends to smooth out the performance of outliers on both the upside and the downside. You can also see all the stocks in that group by clicking on Stocks tab. Now, how do you find out the stocks in a rising industry group? You can visit the Idea List page and click on the list named Industry Group Rank Up under MarketSmith Stock Screens section. This list contains stocks from industries where the group rank is improved at least 15 points over the prior week. Within each group, stocks are ordered by earnings per share rating plus relative strength rating from high to low. Like any other ratings, you can also find out the stocks with higher group rank using our filter option. Just click on Filter India Stocks under Build Your Screen section. You can then click on Filter and apply Group Rank Filter under MarketSmith Ratings. You can also use various different combinations or scans using this tool.